This is a question card. There's an answer on the back.
So here's the question on this question card.
Question cards spark kids' curiosity and interest. They help connect the science they learn in the activities to their everyday lives and to the rest of the world. They can be used in a number of ways.
This one's great.
First thing, I want you guys to know, there's a question here. It says, is oobleck safe?
Hey, look at this question right here. How do you think this soap helps clean the clothes?
4 cards come with each session in the AfterSchool KidzScience kits. They have a question with a picture on the front and the answer with more pictures on the back. Here are a few ideas for how to use them.
The animal can fly. Flying squirrel spreads out.
Set the cards out, question side up, where the kids will naturally discover them. You can set the cards out from previous sessions too. When they enter the room, the children may see them and start thinking about the topic immediately.
This one looks like really glue.
Leaders might also leave the cards out with the materials for the children to notice during Explore. You can leave the cards out for the children to discover on their own at any time. If you're doing a wet kit, like oobleck or bubbles, you can put the cards in plastic bags to protect them. You can also read the cards out loud.
And after you read it, honey, show the question card to everyone.
Does air weigh anything?
Think about it silently. Does air weigh anything? One of your partners talks while the other one listens, and then we'll switch, and then we'll share out, okay? Go.
When something goes in the air it pushes it, and then when it comes back.
You can let the kids think and talk about possible answers, like scientists do.
When you put something in the air, it like pushes it into the air, so I think the air weighs something.
She's going to read the answer. Everyone listen up.
Yes, even though you can't see it does weigh something.
It does weigh something.
The amount of air in a basketball weighs as much as 3/4.
Or you can ask the question at the beginning of the session just to pique their interest and let them know the answer at the end of the session.
We read this one, right? Is oobleck safe?
Yes.
As an extension to the activity, you can use the question cards as discussion starters. This can be a great way to end a session.
Okay. You read it?
Does the space shuttle use parachute?
Encourage active participation by letting the children read the question cards out loud. This gives them practice reading and using their new science words. Stick close by to help with any of the words that might be difficult or new for them.
Okay, Ziara's going to read the answer, and then
Check
we're
the handbook for more ideas about using the question cards, both during and outside the sessions.
Okay, so I'm going to pass the picture cards around real quick.
As you and the kids get more familiar with the cards, you'll find even more ways to use them.
There. Just pass them around. Okay.
Funding provided by Oracle, the Noyce Foundation, the S.D. Bechtel Jr. Foundation, the David and Lucille Packard Foundation, and the Stephen Bechtel Fund.